Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Yusuf here, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI. Not just any AI though, we're talking about the hidden tricks, the secret features, the stuff that most people don't even know exists. We're talking ChatGPT, Canva, Google Bard, Opera, you name it, we're uncovering the AI magic hidden inside. This isn't just about making tech look cool though. This is about making your life easier, more productive, and maybe even a little more fun along the way. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's unlock the full potential of AI together. Alright, let's kick things off with the AI heavyweight champion ChatGPT. Now I know you've probably heard of it, maybe even used it a time or two, but trust me, there's a whole other level to this thing. We're not just talking about having a casual conversation with a bot here. First up, let's talk about productivity. Imagine this, you're swamped with emails, deadlines are looming, and you can't seem to find the right words. Well, ChatGPT can actually draft those emails for you. Just give it some key points and boom, it'll whip up a professional, well-written email in seconds. But it gets even crazier. Let's say you're working on a website and you need some code snippets. You don't have to be a coding whiz to get it done. Just tell ChatGPT what you need, and it'll generate the code right before your eyes. It's like having a personal coding assistant on standby 24/7. And hold on, because it gets even better. Remember those times when you're stuck in a creative rut, staring at a blank page? Yeah, ChatGPT feels your pain. Feed it some prompts, some keywords, anything to get those creative juices flowing, and watch it generate story ideas, scripts, even poems. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's always down to bounce ideas around. But here's the thing, ChatGPT is more than just a productivity tool. It's also a learning machine. It's constantly evolving, learning from every interaction, and getting smarter by the minute. That means the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your needs and delivering tailored results. And here's a pro tip for you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and commands. The beauty of ChatGPT is that there's no one right way to use it. Get creative, try new things, and see what kind of amazing results you can achieve. But before you go full AI wizard on me, remember this. ChatGPT is a tool, not a replacement for your own skills and creativity. It's about enhancing what you're already capable of, not replacing it altogether. So go ahead, dive into the hidden depths of ChatGPT and unlock its true potential. You might be surprised at what you discover. Alright, moving on to another AI powerhouse that's changing the game, Canva. Now, Canva's already known for making design accessible to everyone, but their AI features take it to a whole other level. We're talking next-level design hacks that'll save you time and make your creations pop. Let's start with one of my favorite features, automatic design suggestions. You know how sometimes you have a bunch of images and text, but you just can't seem to arrange them in a way that looks good? Well, Canva's AI takes that struggle away. Just drag and drop your content, and Canva will analyze it, understand the context, and instantly suggest different layouts, font pairings, color palettes, basically the whole design shebang. It's like having a personal designer whispering creative ideas in your ear, but it doesn't stop there. Canva's AI can also handle those tedious little edits that used to take forever. Need to remove the background from an image? Done. Want to resize a graphic without distorting it? No problem. Canva's AI handles it all with a single click, freeing you up to focus on the bigger picture. And speaking of pictures, Canva's AI is also a master of imagery. Need a specific type of photo for your design? Just use their text-to-image generator. Type in what you're looking for, like a majestic mountain range at sunset, and Canva will generate stunning, royalty-free images that match your description perfectly. But here's where things get really interesting. Canva's AI can even analyze your existing designs and suggest improvements. It's like having a design critic who's actually helpful and insightful. It'll point out things like color imbalances, awkward spacing, or fonts that clash, and then offer smart solutions to make your designs shine. And the best part? Canva's AI is constantly learning and evolving. The more you use it, the better it understands your style and preferences, making its suggestions even more tailored and on point. So, whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Canva's AI is your secret weapon for creating stunning visuals in a fraction of the time. Don't sleep on this one, folks. Okay, let's shift gears and talk about another AI giant that's been making waves, Google Bard. Now, you might think of Bard as just another chatbot, but trust me, it's so much more than that. We're talking about a powerful AI assistant that integrates seamlessly with Google's ecosystem, boosting your productivity to a whole new level. One of the coolest things about Bard is its ability to supercharge your Google searches. Instead of just giving you a list of links, Bard can actually understand the context of your query and provide you with summarized answers, relevant insights, and even different perspectives on the topic. But here's where things get really interesting. Bard can also pull information from other Google services and integrate it seamlessly into your workflow. Imagine you're working on a presentation in Google Slides. You need some data from a Google Sheet to back up your points. Well, with Bard, You can simply ask it to fetch that data and insert it directly into your presentation. No more switching between tabs, no more copy-pasting, just pure, streamlined efficiency. And hold on, because it gets even better. Let's say you're planning a trip with friends. You can use Bard to coordinate everything right within Google Maps. Ask it to find the best restaurants in the area, book flights and accommodations, even create a shared itinerary that everyone can access and edit. It's like having a personal travel agent who's always one voice command away. But Bard's talents don't stop there. It can also help you manage your inbox like a pro. Imagine being able to ask Bard to summarize your unread emails, prioritize important messages, even draft responses for you. It's like having a personal assistant who's laser-focused on keeping your inbox organized and stress-free. And here's the thing, Google Bard is constantly evolving and integrating with more and more services. That means its capabilities are only going to expand, making it an even more indispensable tool in your AI arsenal. Alright, let's talk about something a little different. Opera. Now you might be thinking, Opera, isn't that like a vintage web browser? And yeah, it's been around for a while, but Opera's been quietly making moves in the AI space, and they've got some seriously cool features that are worth checking out. First up, let's talk about their AI-driven content recommendations. Opera's built-in AI engine analyzes your browsing history, your interests, and even your social media activity to curate a personalized feed of articles, videos, and news stories that you're actually interested in. But here's the thing, Opera's AI goes beyond just recommending content. It can also help you understand complex topics and engage with information on a deeper level. Let's say you're reading an article about a topic you're not familiar with. Opera can identify key terms and concepts within the article and then provide you with definitions, explanations, and even related resources, all without you having to lift a finger. But it gets even better. Opera's AI can also help you navigate the web more efficiently. Their built-in AI assistant can answer your questions, provide directions, set reminders, and even control your music playback, all with just a few voice commands. It's like having a personal co-pilot for your web browsing experience. And for all you multitaskers out there, Opera's got you covered. Their AI-powered sidebar allows you to access your favorite apps and tools without ever leaving your current tab. Need to check your email while watching a video? No problem. Want to update your to-do list while browsing social media? Easy peasy. Opera's AI makes multitasking seamless and effortless. But here's the kicker. Opera's AI is constantly learning and adapting to your browsing habits. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and delivering a truly personalized browsing experience. Okay, let's talk about how to supercharge your browsing experience even further with some essential AI browser extensions. These little add-ons can make a world of difference in your productivity and overall online experience. First up, we've got Grammarly, the grammar and spelling checker on steroids. But Grammarly is more than just a spell checker. It uses AI to analyze your writing style, suggest synonyms for overused words, and even identify plagiarism. It's like having a personal editor who's always on call. Next, we've got WordTune, which takes your writing to the next level. WordTune helps you rephrase sentences, adjust the tone of your writing, and make sure your message is clear, concise, and impactful. It's like having a writing coach who helps you find the perfect words every time. But let's not forget about those who struggle with information overload. That's where Summarize This comes in. This handy extension uses AI to condense lengthy articles, reports, and documents into bite-sized summaries, saving you valuable time and effort. And for those who spend hours each day reading online, there's Read Aloud. This nifty extension uses AI to read any web page aloud to you in a natural-sounding voice. It's a game-changer for auditory learners or anyone who wants to give their eyes a break. And finally, we've got Evernote Web Clipper, the ultimate tool for capturing and organizing information online. This extension lets you clip web pages, articles, even selected text, and save it all to your Evernote account for easy access later. These are just a few examples of the many powerful AI browser extensions out there. So go ahead, explore, and find the ones that best fit your needs. You might be surprised at how much they can enhance your browsing experience. Alright, let's finish strong with some incredible free AI tools that'll unleash your creativity without breaking the bank. Because here's the thing, you don't need a Hollywood budget to harness the power of AI. First up, we've got DALL-E 2, the mind-blowing AI image generator from OpenAI. This thing is like magic. You type in a text description of what you want to see, and DALL-E 2 will generate multiple variations of that image, often with stunning realism and creativity. Next, we've got Runway ML, a platform that makes it easy to experiment with different AI models for creative projects. Whether you're interested in generating music, animating characters, or creating interactive art installations, Runway ML provides the tools and resources you need to bring your AI-powered visions to life. But it's not just about visual art. For all you music lovers out there, there's Jukebox, another AI marvel from OpenAI. Jukebox can generate original music in a variety of genres, complete with vocals, instruments, and even lyrics. And for those who love to play with words, there's Talk to Books, an experimental tool from Google AI that lets you have a conversation with a massive database of books. Type in a question or a statement, and Talk to Books will find passages from books that respond to your query in interesting and unexpected ways. These are just a few examples of the many incredible free AI tools that are out there. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and see what kind of creative magic you can unlock with the power of AI at your fingertips. So there you have it, folks. Those are just a few of the hidden AI tricks that are out there, waiting to be discovered. And the best part is, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of AI is constantly evolving, with new tools and features emerging all the time. If you found these AI tricks helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more smart AI money tips from Investax. We're here to help you navigate the exciting world of AI and empower you to make smarter financial decisions. See you in the next video.